Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. High Frequency Activity Tracker Signs of Pandemic Fatigue Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 9A749999 2020 10:30 9:24 am Google Mobility Trends in Retail AMP Recreation continued to improve across all countries in the past week. Especially the improvements in France are somewhat surprising given that 7-day average COVID-19 infection numbers reached all-time highs. The increased mobility despite higher infections numbers could be a sign of a pandemic fatigue. On the downside, electricity demand continued to decrease during last week, notably for the UK and Spain, and German textiles retail trade turnover has also abated again. US recovery remains on track with the past week again bringing overall small improvement as well as a large increase of 19.1 pp in restaurant bookings due to extraordinary Labor Day activity. For next week, keep an eye on whether US restaurant bookings can be sustained and possible US equities rebound down 7% WW. Explanation: in this document, we present a range of high-frequency data points in order to assess the current state of key economies. High-frequency data is of particular interest in the COVID-19 crisis, as conventional data points come with a significant lag and do not necessarily show the true picture in extraordinary times. Data series Google Mobility tracks the physical movement trends of people over time and across different categories among the public, such as retail and recreation, groceries and pharmacies, parks, transit stations, workplaces and residential. We focus on the retail and recreation category and use this as a measure of a social life. OpenTable restaurant bookings. This includes seated diners at restaurants in the OpenTable network across online reservations, phone reservations, and walk-ins. We compare data with the same day of the week in the previous year. Only states or cities with 50+ restaurants in the sample are included. Electricity demand: we compare current demand with average demand for the same period day week over 2015-19. Factors other than economic activity, for example weather conditions, can affect demand for electricity, so we suggest reading smaller movements with caution. New York Weekly Economic Index is an index of real economic activity in the U.S. using high-frequency data. If the index is 2 for a full quarter, the expected GDP in the given quarter would be 2% lower than in the same quarter the previous year. Bundesbank Weekly Activity Index is designed to measure real-time real economic activity in Germany using both high-frequency data and, for example, industrial production monthly. It fluctuates around the long-term mean, hence, a value above below zero indicates growth. NBSP Download the full The Big Picture. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.